The Duchess of Rain. The rain had been stronger than usual on the Roseworth Railway. All of us had to be careful as the rails were slippery and wet. Part of the line flooded, causing most of our passengers and freight trains to run late. The passengers did not do this at all.
I'm 15 minutes late!
So, I said rudely to them,
it's not fair! They should appreciate that we're still running.
Ungrateful humans.
added Silver Fox.
Well, serves them right for how they treat us.
Sneaked Sutherland.
Quit your complaining. It is quite nice. The passenger always looks so excited when I enter the station.
Is that because they think you're a passenger train?
True, but the attention is still nice.
Said Macintosh. The Duchess of Hamiton hated rain most of all. The passengers would look so angry at her. She would enter the station, and because the trains weren't running to their usual schedule, the coaches would often be packed and heavy.
Ooh!
During the journey to Barrow, the passengers would complain even further.
Oh, this is just ridiculous. This coach smells like a dog. This would never happen on Sodor.
They chimed. On the way back, Hamilton thought she could teach a passenger a lesson for complaining. She thought about stopping on the main line, but then realised that is illegal, and stupid to stop at the trains to depend on the main line.
Oh, I know.
She said, as they got closer to Shedfield. Instead of slowing down, Hamilton began to pick up speed. "Slow down," said her driver.
Nope, I will not.
Hamilton's driver tried to put the brakes on, but Hamilton was going too fast. Her brake blocks skidded through the station. "Jesus Christ!" screamed the passengers as they covered their ears in agony. At last, Hamilton came to a stop outside the station.
Well, how do you like that? Oh, that's just great, Duchess. You ruined your brake blocks. Now the passengers will have to wait even longer for a replacement train.
Duchess of Hamilton was pleased. A few minutes later, the passengers went and complained to the yard manager, who ended up refunding their money. At the shed, the yard manager came to rant and rave at Hamilton.
I really can't believe you, Duchess. Not only do I have to refund the money to the passengers for what you've done, but you've also damaged your brake blocks during that stunt that you pulled. Might as well send you to Promio Works. When you're done, you'll be on freight traffic for a whole 3 weeks.
Duchess of Hamilton didn't mind it at all, and was happy not to be on passenger duties for a whole 3 weeks. And that, my friends, was that.